Ayan muna kami ng wine. Shop winery. Oh, puro wine. Oh, it smells wine. It smells wine.
Ay, isang timbang ito. Mapainom tatay.
Ayan, ito. Ito kaya isang wine, mainom kaya ito. No. So yan, puro wine yan. Hindi ko alam kung anong wine to.
I have friends with me, they want to visit and they want to buy something else.
Yes, we will buy something. 1 case of wine. Bango! It smells good, Father. It smells good.
So go with me to see one by one day. I don't know they are working here.
They're working. S13, S12. So they are... Wala tong laman. It's empty. Empty tank. This one also. They mixing. Kasi gawa ng umano na siya yung ano. Pinapaikot lang yan. They're mixing. Like dialysis. Oo. Just like dialysis, they're just mixing. Bango na. It smells good, Father.
Hey, Ate Mission.
It's white wine, Father, in here. And this one? Ah.
Good morning. Hi, how are you?
Wow.
Ferry just called me. He says he wants wine. Yeah.
You see the floor? It's red.
2 boxes of wine.
Why didn't Sohail tell me?
I asked her if she didn't. I don't know.
2 boxes of wine?
If you have enough time to
Ah, so, box ang ating bibilhin. Tigisa tayo.
Sino yan? Kasi dadalhin sa ratas mo dyan. Magkano ba?
Eh, di ba sabi ni Father tayo daw dalawa? Tapos ito sa ano.
Libre yun sa kanila. Naluloko lang yan.
Di, sagot yata ni Ate Ani talaga ang gasolina. Pero bumili tayo dito ng ano, wine.
Kano ba yun? Parang 21
1 box of
lang.
mass wine.
Yeah.
Okay.
Tama.
1 box of mass wine.
So 5 boxes. Okay, yeah. Mr. White, right? The invoice is on
Mas wine. So, mas wine.
Mas wine yun.
Mm-mm.
Para sa ano? Para sa...
Oo. This is white wine and red wine. This is red wine side. Dry wine.
Gawin din. Kuya, that side.
Ay, ulam natin yung malaking kaserola nito. Pagluto natin.
Panluto ng sopas.
Ayan pa, oh. Tignan mo, bisila.
Yes, that one is the
So how many
Like
liters?
1.1. 1,050.
and 300.
Yeah, like that.
1,300 liters.
So, 2,005 liters until full.
Full a lot. I don't know. Yeah. Until full,
2.8.
2.8. Wow.
Wow, 2.8 liters.
Now it's here. Where? Full.
It's full also, S28.
Then, stuck it. How long?
This white.
It's white,
I
kuya.
think it's also full.
It's full also, 2.8.
Also, this is full.
2.8 liters.
So very good branded.
I want to make a video.
This one is also full. Yes.
This is red wine. This is white wine.
Ang bango no. It smells good, Father. This one is the barrel. The barrel area.
Picture ka doon. Picture mo kami dito nga. Nagbibigyo ka ba?
Okay. 1, 2, 3. Just wait, just a sec. Okay, 1, 2, 3. Okay.
Sama ka ikaw.
Okay lang. Nakaano na tayo eh.
Now,